Hello, people of the internet. I'm me. I can't be anyone else. So how y'all doing today? I'm doing great, except for the fact that I was sneezed on today. Sad face. So here's how my day woke up. I woke up to the sound of my neighbor's loud bass. It was very, very annoying. It was So then, that was about 6:30 this morning. It was about the time I usually get up anyway, so oh well. So I go get ready, brush my teeth because all the showers were taken. I live in a dorm, so we have to share a bathroom with about 16 other people. I don't know why I say we. I have no roommate. So yeah, my side, mine. Pillow. As I was getting ready to use the shower, we have one of the removable shower heads. I like doing that because I can stand still in one place and not have to spin all around like a record, spin around like a record. Woohoo! All night. Um, Off topic. So we go. So I was showering, and what I realized is that the tube had got a hole poked into it. Someone had poked a hole into the tubing, and it's causing water to spray out of one end, and then causing lower pressure on the other one. It's like no. And so all my stuff got wet because the freaking shower curtain doesn't cover anything up. It covers up enough, but it's not enough because it doesn't go into in. It's really picky. I'm really picky about things like that. So that's how my morning started out, and so I brushed my teeth. So I did that. I brushed my teeth, got my shower, shampooed my hair. I used Axe, not like a huge glob amount like everybody uses. Oh, that annoys me so much, people. Because people think that smells good. No, it doesn't smell that good when you use that much. Only a little bit, people. Only a little bit. And so I put on my Axe. I did all that. Sponsor. Come on, Justin. No, stop ripping off them. So I did all that. Then the day goes on. Everything's fine. Watching Mythbusters and reading. And so oh god, what happened next? Oh yeah, I was sneezed on. All my food got sneezed on at lunch. I just ate lunch. I had a ham and cheese sandwich with some Cheetos and some milk and some cake, white cake. And then somebody tried to sneeze on my food. And I had to cleverly block my food. No drugs. And that's how my day started, and it really, really sucks. This is one of my best days, though. So, I want to know what. Here's a challenge for you people tonight. Enjoy my finger. I want to know what your favorite type of cake is. Mine, personally, is chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake, especially dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is my crack. Not really. Don't do drugs. Drugs are bad. Evil drugs. Shame on you if you do drugs. But I'm addicted. Yeah, I used to swear myself as a kid. So I want to know what your favorite type of cake is. What do you like to eat for cake? It's really good cake. It could be birthday cake. It could be ice cream cake. It could be cookie cake. Or do you call that cookie pizza? Important questions. So enjoy yourself, people of the universe, because today's topic is cake. I love cake. So this is another exciting installment of my vlog. I'll probably upload another video tonight telling you how after lunch went. I still have 2 more classes to do. Oh my god. I'm reading in college prep and social studies still. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not in high school. I'm actually graduated from high school. So, I'll see you guys later. Today, maybe. Depends on how the internet's working, because the internet sucks here. It seriously, seriously sucks. I'm looking at it right now, and it's like yellow triangle doom thing. Yeah, that's why I call it the yellow triangle of doom with the exclamation point in the middle. It doesn't like me, and I don't like it, so that's our understanding. I'm going to start eating these crackers now. You can all watch if you want. Well, see you guys later. Bye.